I have discovered my absolute favorite meatball, Talluto's. I mean, I was always a fan of Fontanini from Chicago. Good people, great food, but I gotta tell you, sorry Fontanini, Talluto's is just an incredibly delicious meatball. And so that's my recommendation. I'm gonna bring some out of the oven right now. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. 3-ounce restaurant size, restaurant quality meatballs. Going in my little dish here. I mean, look at that. Oh man. Look at that. And of course, I just discovered Talluto's sauce. Their tomato sauce and their marinara and their vodka. Look at how bright and fresh red that is. Look at that. Hello. Talluto's. 52 years and counting, 3 generations. Absolutely. Restaurant quality, delicious Italian food.